Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a Rubik's Cube. So I think of a challenge. The challenge is in 1 minute I have to make the white face. But before I'm gonna mess it up. Okay. Oh, I'll try to mess it up. How can I even mess that up? Oh no, but I think that's fine. So let the challenge start. Okay, so I mixed it a bit just now, but I forgot to film it. So, but never mind. And let the challenge start. In 3, 2, 1, go! Oh no! This challenge is very hard. I can't do it! Let's believe to yourself and say you can do it. But I don't think I can do it. Okay. Please, can someone tell me how long do I have? Oh no! One more left! Mission complete! I did it! And that's all for today's Rubik's Cube challenge. Please subscribe, like, and share. If you want to see other challenge, you must subscribe. And there is a lot of technology tips in this channel. So we will see you on the next video. Bye!